This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Google Analytics and make sure a GA4 property exists for the domain. This is non-negotiable. Once done, connect a web or app data stream and enable basic events like page view and first open so raw data arrives. Make sure your consent mode matches legal requirements, then test in real time to confirm hits appear. This initial verification prevents wasted analysis later. You want reliable incoming data before building reports or exploring advanced dimensions. You now refine incoming data by mapping events to meaningful actions, mark conversions, add descriptive parameters, and set user properties for cohorts. Then build audiences for retention and funnel analysis. This lets you compare behavior across segments. Make sure to use filters to exclude internal traffic and test changes in a debug view before applying them globally. As you refine, export to BigQuery if you need unsampled raw data for advanced attribution or custom modeling. You finalize by assembling explorations, funnels, and retention reports that answer specific questions: acquisition, conversion paths, and lifetime value. Once dashboards run, schedule exports and set alerts for sudden drops. If a metric looks off, inspect tag firing, measurement ID, and filter rules, then compare real-time to historical data to spot delays. One key troubleshooting tip: if conversions are missing, validate event names and parameters in debug view, and ensure no conflicting filters are excluding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.